today I'm gonna do front flip, side flip, back flip. Please subscribe. First one, front flip. Easy. Second one, side flip. All right, I'm gonna move this. Third one, back flip. Just learned this. Love you all. Bye. Please subscribe.